Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the world as we know it, and its impact on the job market is undeniable. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is automating tasks and changing the skills needed for the jobs of tomorrow. As AI continues to evolve, it's crucial to understand both the challenges and opportunities it presents to the workforce. This essay will explore the evolving landscape of jobs in the age of AI, emphasizing the importance of adaptation and lifelong learning. The integration of AI into various industries is creating a demand for professionals skilled in AI-related fields. At the same time, traditional job roles are being redefined, requiring individuals to adapt and acquire new skills to remain competitive. The key to thriving in this era of AI-driven transformation lies in embracing change, upskilling, and recognizing the value of human-AI collaboration. One of the most significant impacts of AI on the job market is automation. AI-powered systems are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of performing tasks that were once thought to be exclusive to humans. This has led to concerns about job displacement, particularly in sectors like manufacturing, transportation, and customer service. As machines become more efficient and cost-effective, businesses may turn to automation to streamline operations and reduce labor costs. However, it's important to remember that automation also creates new opportunities. While certain jobs may become obsolete, new roles will emerge in areas such as AI development, data science, and robotics engineering. The challenge lies in preparing the workforce for this transition by providing access to education and training programs that equip individuals with the skills needed to succeed in these emerging fields. The rise of AI is creating a surge in demand for professionals with expertise in AI-related fields. Data scientists, machine learning engineers, and AI trainers are just a few examples of the highly sought-after roles in this burgeoning industry. These professionals are responsible for developing, implementing, and maintaining AI systems, playing a crucial role in shaping the future of various sectors. Moreover, AI is also transforming traditional job roles. For example, in healthcare, doctors and nurses are utilizing AI-powered tools to improve diagnoses, personalize treatment plans, and enhance patient care. Similarly, in finance, AI algorithms are being used to detect fraud, manage risk, and provide personalized financial advice. These examples highlight how AI is not replacing human workers, but rather augmenting their capabilities, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. To thrive in the age of AI, individuals must be willing to adapt and embrace lifelong learning. Reskilling and upskilling are essential for staying competitive in the evolving job market. Governments, educational institutions, and businesses all have a role to play in providing accessible and affordable training programs that equip individuals with the skills needed to succeed in AI-powered workplaces. Furthermore, collaboration between humans and AI will be critical. Rather than fearing AI as a threat, we should view it as a tool that can enhance our capabilities and enable us to achieve greater heights. By embracing a collaborative approach, we can leverage the strengths of both humans and AI to drive innovation and productivity across all industries. In conclusion, the AI revolution is reshaping the job market in unprecedented ways. While automation may lead to displacement in certain areas, it also creates exciting new opportunities in AI-related fields. The key to navigating this changing landscape lies in adaptation, reskilling, and a willingness to embrace human-AI collaboration. By embracing these principles, we can harness the power of AI to create a more prosperous and equitable future for all.